Today I went to Dunelm and I spent £91 on all kinds of goodies. We are in the process of moving home at the moment, so these are all moving home bits. So I thought I would share a haul with you. For those of you not in the UK, Dunelm is homeware store. There is really a little bit of everything. You could spend out, we spent about an hour in there going up and down the aisles. You could spend so long getting all kinds of homewares, and there were quite a few reductions, as you'll see. Some are kitchen, some are general home bits. I'll just film it all, so I hope you enjoy watching this £91 Dunelm haul. I'm going to kind of take everything apart as we go. I'm going to, first over here, I've got this extendable clothes rail. I have wanted to get one of these for ages. I thought when we move, I will, just to keep things a little bit organized. We've got some wardrobes as well, but I like having things out as well. Also, when we wash clothes afterwards, hanging them sometimes outside, sometimes in here. I just thought it was really useful to have this in our home. So that was £15, and I'm gonna move that out the way and then we'll get into all of this. Now I've got this big basket of goodies here, literally laundry basket that we've got over here, and all of this on the side. We've got a whole lot of bedding. It's nice to just get some fresh bedding, and this looked just really nice. Instead of £10 it was £5. We got these glasses, they look nice. We've moved from Australia to Ireland. We're in England. We've been in England for a year now, and we haven't actually bought glasses. We tend to drink out of mugs because we knew where we were living was a little more temporary, and now we're in a home that we'll be in for a little longer. So I thought we would get some nice tumblers. So these set of 4 glasses over there. Could always do with more plastic storage. So I got a couple of those. £3, so £1 each. I thought that was a good price. Which way should I go? There's so much. Oops, over here. Definitely needed a new one of these to rest pots on to keep the surface nice and clean. So we got that over there. There was a silver one or a black one. We quite like the stainless steel. Thought it might be easier to keep clean and nice. Oh, this caught my eye. Instead of 14, it was £7. British Bird set of 4 placemats. They look so nice. So let me just open it up. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, very nice. I like all the different British birds. Just pause the video if you want to have a look at all of our British birds that we get. Yeah, there's some really, it's just a pretty, they're just pretty and something a little bit different, I thought. So that was one of the bits that I got. And now, to put on the side of our sink over here, a caddy, the sink side caddy to pop all of our soap, washing up liquid, all of that will go somewhere over there. We'll work it out. Let's see what else we've got in here. A little bit more bedding. I'm opening. Oh, it was 100% pure cotton. £5.50, from £22 down to £5.50. Pure cotton double duvet. We've got a couple of those ones, and that's kind of lilac looking colour. Lavender, it says. Lavender colour. Nice. Also £5.50. We've got a couple of hand towels. Always need more hand towels. Let's see that one. They all seem to... Oh, that one doesn't have a price on it. Oh, this one's really soft. It was £9 down to £4.50. Another little hand towel. Oh, very soft. We've got... Oh, we're getting there. Everything. For our cutlery, oh, this feels really nice and sturdy. I've got all the prices on everything today. £10 makes it very easy to film and share. Brass effect sink caddy. Yeah, we've got it. We've got 2. One will kind of be for all the soaps and bits. We tend to just have more and more. So for soap bits, and this will be really nice for our cutlery. It feels really, really sturdy. And another one for our cutlery over there. Although we've just moved in and realised that they've actually left that one there, the previous tenants, but that's all right. We've got a nice new one as well here. We'll work out what we're going to do with everything. Maybe things will find its way into cupboards. We'll work it out. And finally, also for doing dishes, all fun things for doing dishes, a drying mat. We'll see how it goes. I've never used one of these. I don't know if it's going to get damp. We'll kind of see how it goes. And all of that was £91. So we got all of those bits over there. and the clothes rail as well was £91. There were some good bargains in there and some really useful bits for our new home. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know if you'd like me to share more kitchen bit hauls with you as we're moving into our home. I'll do my best to film and try and share as much of this adventure with you and share a lot more content going forward in my new kitchen. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.